Right, so we are at the Capitol building in downtown Raleigh, the capital of North Carolina here, at the Stop Trump rally, Stop Elon rally.
Hands Off Raleigh is what it's called. Hands Off protests are happening all across the country right now.
That's right.
Especially in Kansas for some reason. What we're going to do is take a look at some signs. Let's look at some signs. People really take a lot of pride in their signs. We got Free Them All here. Cease and desist the attacks on poor and low-wage North Carolinians and our democracy. Democracy, not oligarchy. All these big words. Don't don the con. That's not hard. Democracy. This is what democracy looks like. Hands off our cancer research. Lots of hands off signs. Oh, that's a lot of words. You guys know we the people. Justice and inequality. Justice demands we the people stand up and speak out. Felons should not be our president. Hands off higher ed. Creepy and power hungry. Hands off the rule of law. Resist. Oh, she's over there. Democracy looks like.
Defend the Constitution! Defend the Constitution!
I've seen better cabinets at IKEA. That's good. Hands off our planet, make Earth cool again. I think that. Fire Donnie Trump and lock him up. Woo! What we got? People in power. No oligarchies here. I do like the we're gonna go to the other side. It's tight through here. I have ebooks with more spine than the GOP. I love it. Let's see. We're going across, following this gentleman here. Oh yeah. Let's do it. The only minorities destroying America are billionaires. People over profit. Real patriots don't bow to kings. Impeach Trump. Close doors. The White House is breaking our laws. All right. Speak out now. Silent is not listening. Hands off.
I think that it is going to hit him in the wallet. And that's
Truth or Trump. You can't have both. Fascists deny just truth. No kings. Thanks, Mag. I love that sign. Penguins hate fascism. That's facts. This is my resisting bitch face. I love that sign. So cute. Hydrate, fight, dehydration, and fascism. Very nice. King Trump has no clothes or brains. GOP history has its eyes on you. Hands off our freedom. Flush the Trump poop. Empathy for Elon. Flush the poop. I love it. This is a good poop drawer. Hands off the DA. I should be home with my dog. I brought my dog. You should have brought your dog.
He doesn't have good manners.
It's a lot of work, too. I left mine with my husband. I said, all right, you take him. Take your grabby, self-serving, tiny hands off my country. Eat the rich. We've got a food drive going on right here. Nice. Science is not silent. I wish I had known. I would have brought some food. Morons are governing America. Love is love. It's not enough. All Americans deserve equality. Lies, chaos, competent. Send Musk to Mars. That's what that one says. 8647. We the people will not be silent. None of this is okay. Due process is everyone's right. Hands off the VA. Trump with an X through it. Perfect. Her kid probably did it. That looks like a child. No one voted for Elon. Trump and Elon are Putin's puppets. Oh no! Woo! Okay. What do we got here? The billionaire plan to end America. Yes. Resist. Bring Cory Booker. Get in trouble. Good trouble. I'm going to go with these people over here. All right, so you guys see there's a ton of people out here. A lot of good signs. Higher costs. Are we great yet? Make America for everyone. Don't let me get run over. Stop the trade war. Impeach Trump. We won't go back. Don't. Hands. Lots of words. No one is illegal. That's very pretty. Hello. Woo! Hands off. Stand up. Trump is wrecked. People need food. Hands off. You just printed out the sign. That's so smart.
I can't draw.
Me neither. Look, I recycled my Joe Biden sign, so I'm reuse, reduce, and recycle. Facts, not fascism. The guy, he's been running around saying all kinds of stuff with his megaphone. His penis is bigger than Donald Trump, I think he said. Somebody gave him a megaphone for Christmas. Fear and anger over Doge. Not a paid protester. Hands off my SSDI. The best activism is equal parts anger and love. All right, let's see if we can find Trump. Nice Trump. We got a Trump on a penis. Let's see here. Dictator one day on day one. Beautiful. Justice Riggs won. Men of quality. Betrayer in chief. All right, let's see if we find Drew. That dog looked like ours, but it's a Boston Terrier. It's a little Boston Terrier.
It smells.
Pretty tulips. You guys see Drew? Yeah, he is not a king. We are equal to serve. That's the fat cat. No food for you.
Yeah, I know, right?
What happened? It was just over here. All right, guys, this crowd is busy. There is a ton of people out here. Do you hear the people sing, that sign says? And we got a lot of signs. Bitches against bigots. I like it. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to stand in front of you. If you could give us a like on this video, tell us what your favorite sign is, and let me know down in the comments. Did you guys go to the protest in your hometown? These protests, hands off, are happening all across the country. And as you can see, there are a ton of people here right now. So they're very popular. This is what democracy looks like, guys. Thanks for watching.